1640. You can also see that equestrian statue, equestrian monument. People they fight the Spaniards. Embassy, the Spanish embassy, this beautiful building, this understanding building, they tried to kill him. But they never knew, they never knew that this Batista's office was only reachable by a private lift, a private elevator. And then this Batista saw the tank driven by Fidel Castro during the days of the Bay of Presentation, back in 29. Anyways, man, we'll drop you. We'll give some 3 minutes in this area, and then you may come to the building and take your photos from the outside. So if you walk into the building, you gotta pay. That's the name of Havana, cigar, the best one that you guys can buy later on. Before lunch, we're gonna be stopping at these cigars factory quickly, and then you can buy some cohitas, some Montecristos, and some Gilets. And they had in Cuba, and then they went to Miami. They went to the States. So then these beautiful houses, these beautiful palaces, they have been turned into public places. Embassies on the right hand side, you will see these beautiful palaces, where these, what you see, lived in the 40s and 50s. Villas, beautiful houses, the highest point in Havana, 141 meters high. So you can see some windows on top. So there is an elevator taking the people to the very top, from which you can see every part of it. Julio. Okay, so enjoy the way back, take it easy, relax, enjoy the view, and I'm gonna wake you up as soon as we get to Varadero and this hotel. So enjoy.